Hello, everybody. Uh, how are you? I pray you're always doing well and taking care of yourself and never give up, never quit, never surrender. Remember, Almighty God never give us that we cannot handle. We are strongest, toughest, resilient than we thought, and we are all matter, we are all enough, and we are all worthy. Okay? It doesn't matter who we are, what ages we are all human beings and we are all worthy. And Almighty God made us all differently, uniquely, in our own way because all of us individually have a purpose in this earth. That's why embrace your uniqueness, embrace your weirdness, embrace your uniqueness because that's your superpower. Okay? Oh, how many of you have been heartbroken, massive betrayal in their relationship? I did all my relationship since I was 13 years old. All of them betrayed me. All of them cheated on me. But now the hardest one that woke me up is my third marriage. He massively betrayed me and he secretly married while we're still married and sent me a FedEx summon divorce, which is his his compassion because he forgot. I remember all the dates and details. So I cry. I won't lie. I cry and I beg. Then one time he told me stop wasting his time. That hit me and woke me up. So I focus on myself, self-love, self-healing, and I forgive myself. And I am so proud of myself because since I was a child, I've been to hell a lot. I've been abused physically, mentally, emotionally, verbally, psychologically. In class, I was in first grade. I was left-handed. Every time I write on my left hand, my first grade teacher spanked my hand and he spanked me on my butt by 4 by 4 wood. You know how painful is that? I learned to protect myself because I knew Almighty God will never give me that I cannot handle. And I am so happy and so grateful to that teacher because she made me extremely resilient, extremely strong, extremely toughest. I'm surviving everything I'm going through. And she's still my teacher, fifth grade, same abuse. So I'm telling you some of my story. Even I'm smiling, I've been to a lot. I smile because it's easy to smile than telling my story. So never give up, never quit, never surrender, and keep your faith, okay? I survived, you can survive too. I love you. Peace. Keep on smiling. God bless us all.